Let's generate animal hybrids.
How cool was that? Well, those was all done by AI. And you've probably already seen these videos on your Shorts feed, and after watching this video, you'll be able to create something like that by yourself just in 5 minutes with our step-by-step tutorial. And all things and tools you need are 100% free. But why? Why in the first place would you want to create something like that? Well, this is another new viral YouTube Shorts trend. Just look at this channel right here. This is just one of many that make these kind of shorts and are getting millions of views and thousands of subscribers. Just look here, they have over 308,000 subscribers with only 81 videos, and they have accumulated over 78 million views in just 5 months. And this channel too, 149K subscribers with only 119 videos in 6 months. That is just insane. These shorts are really going like hotcakes. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are going to make max $15,800 a month. That doesn't sound bad. Crazy thing is, make simply videos is super easy and fast. You can make over 10 shorts in 1 hour after watching full this video. Alright, so you want to hop on this new YouTube Shorts trend and go viral and get thousands of dollars? Well, you are in luck because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these hybrid animals short like the one from the beginning. And on top of that, you will learn how to outperform the competition in this niche. The important is all the tools in this video are 100% free. So, are you excited? Well, let's dive right.
Oh, almost forgot, if you need a fully monetized YouTube channel, check out this website, Zenthora. Also upload for you. From writing to editing to posting, Zenthora will run your account for you. Good, right? Be boss. Find the link in the description.
Step 1. Use Chatgpt Get Image Prompt. Let's first check out one of their shorts and exactly analyze what they are doing. They first show us an image of 2 animals or objects in a naturally that they want to fuse, and second image shows the fused animals with a voice and animation effects and background music. Each video contains about 5 groups of animals and lasts about 30 seconds. Okay, that is enough. I now know their concept. And then I write a prompt. Let's get to Chatgpt and see what can I get. Hey, now I'd like to create dark, cinematic, and realistic images of super hybrid animals. Could you provide following interesting and impressive fusions hybrids with detailed prompts for creating these hybrids with AI? The fused creature must be a menacing atmosphere, roaring and epic strong body shape with angrily glowing eyes, and give viewers a strong sense of impact and mind-blowing. Additionally, for each hybrid, please also include a second prompt, where the 2 animals are seen separately but within the same scene. Look at each other angrily or coexisting in a naturally setting. Okay, let's go. You may say, this is too long to remember. Yes, I am the same as you, but don't worry. I will put all tools and prompts in the description about this video and at the end of the video. You can copy it directly or modify it slightly. So if you like my video, please help subscribe and like. Okay, back to Chatgpt. Let's see what Chatgpt gives us. Well, for now the prompts are ready. Okay, let's go on step 2, AI image generation. If you are Chatgpt Plus paid user, you can use DALL-E to generate those images. It's super easy and fast. Just copy the prompt on step 1 and drop it in DALL-E. But who don't like free ones? So today we are going to use Copilot Microsoft. It's also based on DALL-E, but 100% free for now at least. Okay, don't waste time, let's rush in. It's a simply work. Just copy and paste. And if image not good enough, you can paste the prompt to generate it again. Great. Now we have all the images we need. And now let's go for the final step. Edit the images into one video, So here we are going to use CapCut. It's a free, powerful video maker tools. You can use it online or install on your laptop. The download link in the description. I had installed the CapCut, so let's open it and import the images in. Here I downloaded a sample video to get the trending audio for it. For copyright issue, I strongly recommend you use the audio from YouTube Audio Library. Please keep this in mind. If you use copyrighted music, it will be difficult for you to monetize your channel future. Okay, let's sped up the editing part. And see the final result here. How is it? Not bad, right? Of course, this is just a rough edit demo. You can keep adjusting the prompts until you get a satisfactory image. At least Copilot is free, and there are no restrictions on its use for now. Even you can add speaking voice and animal sounds to making the video more fun. You can get AI voice from 11 Labs, and animal sounds from Pixabay. Oh, yes. Here are the details prompts I used in this video. You can pause the video and copy them. Well, thank you very much for watching. This tutorial is almost done. If there is anything you don't understand, please comment to tell me. I will do my best to answer you one by one. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I will update it regularly. And, what other video production tutorials do you want to see? Please also tell me in comment. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video. Good luck.